world, and my battery is very small. It could die any moment. I wanted to invite you guys. Amakamfund. Ayo. Igap konjelana? Igap konjelana? Amakayamfund. Amakayamfund. Mana amakam ban mana? Amakemfundo eGlencoe, Dundee. That's where I am today. Well, tomorrow that's where I'll be. I'll be speaking to the youth. So definitely I want to pass out an invitation to everyone who's from Dundee to pull through tomorrow. That's what we're going to be doing here. So I hope to see you guys in numbers. I will be speaking. I'll be one of the guests. Which is to speak about uNkulunkulu. So izani ke make us proud, love. I promise, Daddy, I will. I promise, Daddy. I definitely will. So tomorrow ngizobe ngila island. Well, sengifikile already. Yabo? Sise hall kune youth conference. So I'm just passing out an invitation to everyone. Le installation should ngizoyikhipha mase ngifike. Angazi nini. But anyways, yes, because I'm putting it to good use. So that's what I'm doing. But my battery is very bad at the moment. So I'm not going to stay very long on this live. I just want to pass an invitation to everyone who is around Glencoe. You have a good coffee gama. Konjini kamala lesesko. Ini kamala leskolene. In konji gama. We sen kosi gama. Tata. Ini kamala leskole. Indao is Stembile. So I'm But anyways, yes, Amakemfundo, that's where I'll be tomorrow. So guys, that is in numbers. Ma? Why?
Like number options.
You charge the power bank the way you've done it.
And then you're not power bank, but you exercise on the phone. But ubana senza le cable.
But usukufalia
ile inkinga uthi wayingabi khona noma usizo ukuthi ngifake
emshokomdala.
We awumsangano mina ngithi uthole uzosizakala uzofaka lokho.
Sithe
No.
Ngale. Ngumnyali isephuke yankazi umuntu.
Right.
But na into edinga isiququququ. Anginaso mina.
Oh, now was pattern.
Because lesa sinye ke sokucharge lento yami le
Ngisemakemfundo njengamanje ngisemakemfundo eDundee.
yabo lokho kucharge wifi injani into yakhona nayo injini yokufaka la so nje nayo it's very weird ngono uthi le ubekayo khona awubeke small ukethe unesho uthi awubeke ifoni la kucharge
That's an end course.
yazi ngibhlungu
Thando woza ungangishela ubest woza la
khona
kusasa.
uzokunika isiququququ hlalele ethembeni
Mhlawumbe ama-plug phaya.
yeah amanye amaplaga
So thank you so much, parents. Anginayo charge ngisho charge eThekwini, so anginayo into yokucharger. Ifoni yami 9%, so I'm gonna say bye. But definitely do pull through tomorrow. Come guys, come in numbers. Awusukhulile. Uyaphila? Hayi usukhulile. Mkhumule emncane sifika la last year. Someone? I'm good. But anginayo battery. Sengiyahamba ke so ilive sengizoyienda ke ngijumpele. Bye, my lovies. Bye, my darlings. I'll see you all tomorrow. But definitely come here tomorrow. In number 3, you better come here tomorrow. Because if you all don't join me tomorrow, I'm going to judge you all one time. I'm going to judge you all one time. One time, I'm going to judge you all. Right? Bye. I love you all. See you all.